In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master reporting in Asana 5 minutes. Let's jump right in by heading to the Asana login page. Enter your email address, then click Continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the prompts you see. Otherwise, type in your password and click Log In. After a moment, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization so your reports pull in the right projects and tasks. From the left sidebar, find and open reporting. This is where all dashboards live. Click Create Dashboard to start fresh. Think of a dashboard as your command center. One place to see progress, spot risks, and answer common status questions without digging through individual projects. Now click Add Custom Chart. This opens the chart builder where you'll shape what you want to see. Start by choosing a chart style. A bar chart works well for comparing projects or assignees. A line chart is ideal for trends over time. Donut or pie charts show distribution, like the split between incomplete and complete tasks. Pick the style that best matches the story you want the data to tell. Next, decide what data the chart will display. You might focus on task completion rate to monitor throughput, project progress to see what's ahead versus done, or budget-related fields if you track spending in custom fields. Select the source projects and fields that matter most. Clear naming and consistent use of custom fields across projects will make this much easier and ensure your charts reflect reality. Refine your data with filters. Set a date range so you're looking at a meaningful time frame, such as this week, this month, or the last quarter. Filter by project or portfolio to keep the scope focused, and consider filtering by status, assignee, or custom fields to reduce noise. The goal is to surface the signal your team needs to act, not overload the dashboard. When your chart looks right, click Add to place it on the dashboard. You can repeat the process to build a balanced view of workload, progress, and risks. When you're ready to share, click Share. Enter your team members' email addresses and, if you like, include a brief note explaining what the dashboard highlights and how often it updates. Finally, click Invite to send access so everyone stays aligned. That's it. You've logged in, opened reporting, created a dashboard, built a custom chart with smart filters, and shared it with your team. Keep charts simple, tie them to clear goals, and revisit filters as your work evolves. Happy reporting!